Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is HP LaserJet M140WE. This printer is multifunctional printer, multitask, 3-in-1. In the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from mobile phone to this printer. Also how to print documents from laptop to this printer. The rules are you need to first of all make sure that the printer and laptop are connected to the same network, Wi-Fi network or with USB cable. Now, and once you've done that, this printer is connected with this phone via Wi-Fi network and the printer is ready. To print your document, you need to go to wherever you save your document, go to your file first. There are two ways to do this. The first one is for you to go to the file, go to my files. Now select the document you want to print out. And this is the document I want to print out, 2 pages. Now to print this document out, you just need to select, gently tap on it. It will give you option for you to edit it or print, upload to cloud or share. Okay, so select print. And when you select print, you will see this app. You scroll down and select H. Make sure you select the correct printer, HP LaserJet printer. Select. You will see this app. Okay, you will see the printer icon. You scroll down to select any other thing you want to do, like scroll down to print black and white. This printer, I can only print black and white from it. Okay, and this document is 2 pages, but I want us to print only page 1. So I'm going to select the range. So select type 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Okay, if you want to print only page 1. If you want to print only page 2, then you need to type 2 of 2. Or you select all. If you want to print all of them, then you select, okay, and you can see once you select 1 to 1, it will show you, you won't see the other page. So select print. Now this document is going to print out from this printer. But something I noticed is printing out from the phone tend to be slower when you are compared to when you are printing from laptop. So this is the document we printed out. Okay, another way to print this document is for you to go to HP Smart App. Okay, HP Smart App is here. Now the next thing you need to do is to print document. You need to select print document, select print PDF, select the document you want to print out. This is page 2 documents, but I want to only print page 1. So you need to select print preview. Okay, and make sure the printer is ready. Then you select, scroll down to select range of 2. So want to print 1 to 1, 1 of 1. Okay, and select done. Then scroll, select more option for you to make sure you select print best quality, fill page, and make sure you select document, or if you are printing photo, then you select photo, then go back and select print. But one thing I noticed is printing from laptop is quicker with this printer. Okay, so this is the document we printed out from the phone. Okay, so these are the 2 ways to print document from your phone to this printer. Now I'm going to show you how to print document from laptop to this printer. Like I said earlier, make sure the laptop and the printer are connected to the same network. Now the next thing you need to do is the first option is for you to go to your File Explorer. So go to File Explorer and select the document wherever you save the document. So I want to print out this document from the download section. Open it up, double click it. Okay, and this document is just 1 page. You can select Ctrl+P from your laptop, Ctrl+P. It will give you print option, and you scroll down and make sure you can only print black and white from this printer. So you scroll down to select the correct printer. Make sure you scroll down to select the correct printer, and you will see that it's ready. Then you select how many copies. You use up and down to select how many copies. So if you use up and down to select up to increase it or down to decrease it, then you select the next is layout. You select portrait or if you want to print landscape, then you select landscape. If you want to print all the page, then you select all the page. Okay, but this document is only one page. Now scroll down to print on one side or both sides. If you have 2 pages document, if you want to print on both sides, then you can select it and turn the document the other way. But this document you are printing is only one page. Okay, so you select print one. Okay, and can select more option. If you select more option, you select the correct paper, A4 paper, and fit to print area or actual size. Okay, if you select actual size, it will be a lot bigger, and you select print. So now this document is going to print. Here we go. This is the document we printed out from this laptop. Okay, now another way to print this document is for you to go to HP Smart App. This printer and laptop are connected via HP Smart App, so you need to go to HP Smart App, open it up, and you need to wait for the printer to be ready, and the printer is ready. HP LaserJet M140WE is ready. If you want to print a document from this, you need to go to print documents, select print document. Okay, so this Vinyl TV tutorial, open it up. Here we go. So this document now got 2 pages, page 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2 pages. So I want us to show you how to print double-sided. So you need to scroll down and select duplex printing, scroll down and select print on both sides. Okay, and also make sure you select portrait, A4 paper. Once you select print on both sides, select print. So now this document is going to print out. This is the first one. Now it's telling us, okay, we need to, the first side of the document is printing. When the printing is complete, reinsert the stack of page in the input tray as shown in the picture. Okay, so you take this document we printed out, okay, take it back and put it back to the paper tray, reinsert it, then you select continue from the laptop, or you select copy from the printer. You select copy once and it will start. So either you select continue here or you select copy. Okay, and the document is printed out. Okay, this is the document we printed out. We printed it on both sides. So guys, this is how to print documents from laptop to HP LaserJet printer, likewise from mobile phone to HP LaserJet printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.